Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a classic song, Killing Me Softly, by his song, Roberta Flack. Alright, so I'm doing an open standard tuning. If you want to play along with the original, put a capo on the first fret, please, and play the same stuff I'm showing you. Many people cover this song, but here it is. Alright, let's go. Song starts with a chorus. That famous chorus. It's all simple chords. We got E minor, first chord. 1, 2. To A minor, 1, 2, 3. D major, 1, 2, 3. G major, 1, 2, 3. And then back to E minor. And now, the second time around for the chorus, always, it's not A minor, it's A major instead. So that's 1, 2, 3, A major. D major. Okay. And then we got C major. It's a good thing to write these chords down. So this is the chorus. C major, G major, C, F, 2 times. We stay on F longer and we end on that beautiful E major right there. Great songwriting. So let's do that again. I'm going to call out the chords. E minor, A minor, D major, G, E minor to A major, D, C, G, back to C, and F major 2 times, and resolve to E major. Okay, so that's that cool chorus. And then we got the verses. A minor, D, G, C. A minor, D, and E minor. Back to A minor, D major, G, and end on B7. Starting on the, here's D string, A second, G second. Let's do the verse again. A minor, D, G major, C major, A minor, D, E minor, A minor, D, G, and end on B7. Chorus. Da 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 A minor. Da 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 G major. E major. E minor to A major. D and C. G. C. F major 2 times. chorus last time. Cool. This song sounds more advanced than it is. It's really super easy. It's just got to keep track of all these chords. Alright, so let's review everything before we end the lesson. Chorus. E minor, A minor, D major, G. E minor, A major, D, C, G, C, F major 2 times, so that stays longer, and end on E major. And verses. A minor, D, G, C. A minor, D, E minor. And then last, A minor, D, G, and that great B7 right there. Cool. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe, be well, take it easy.